Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Moodle account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you delete or remove a contact in your Moodle account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to remove a contact inside of your Moodle account anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that sometimes your customers or your users write back in a nasty manner. So sometimes it's better just to go ahead and delete them or remove them. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Moodle cloud. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Moodle account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you need to delete or remove a user, here on the top menu, you're going to click here on Site Admin. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see another menu here along the top, and you want to click here on Users. Once you do that, you're going to see another drop-down menu, and you're going to click here on Browse List of Users. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see all the users you have in Moodle. So you just want to scroll down until you find the person you would like to remove. So for example, this one right here. And there's actually a few different ways you can do this. The easiest way is off to the right of their name. You're going to see these three dots. You can just click on there, and then you're going to go ahead and click on delete. Another way you can do this is they have these little boxes next to their name. You can check the box. And in fact, you can go ahead and check multiple boxes if you want. So maybe these two users. And once you have the boxes checked for the users you'd like to remove, here on the bottom, you're going to click here on choose, and then you're going to click on delete. Once you do that, you're going to see this pop up. Are you absolutely sure you want to completely delete the user, including their enrollment, activity, and other user data? If so, go ahead and click on yes. So there you have it, guys. If you're looking to delete or remove a user or a student in your Moodle account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.